In this video, we're going to introduce the triad. In this video, we're going to review each degree of the scale in ascending order. First degree of the scale, and the second, third, fourth, and so on. Each degree have a special name for them, and the left hand side is the Roman letters. So they are tonic, supertonic, mediate, subdominant, dominant, submediate, leading note. All those special names, we call them technical name. Try to finish those sentences. You can pause the videos. There are three ways describing the note which gives a scale its name. The first one we can describe is the key note. Like the C major is C, F major is F. The second we can describe like which degree of the scale. Last one we can describe as a very professional way is tonic. In this video, you only need to know that the first degree of the scale is called the tonic. Taken together, the first, the third, and the fifth degree of the C major, we are called the tonic triad. So this example of this is the C major. Later, we will see some examples of tonic triads of the keys you need to know. Each one is written as a chord in both the treble and the bass clef. Notice the lowest note is the tonic or key note of that key. If the tonic is written on a line, the other two notes are on the next two lines above. If the tonic is written in a space, like in a space, the other two notes are in the next two spaces above, like this. Remember? I repeat again, if the tonic is written on a line, the other two notes are on the next two lines above. If the tonic is written in a space, the other two notes are in the next two spaces above. A triad can be written in more than one position on the staves. For example, C major in a treble clef can be written with either of two possible Cs as the lowest note. Here are two different ways of writing a C major triad in the treble clef. Now, you can pause the video, try to write two different ways of D major and B major. Here are the examples of tonic triads with key signature in the keys you should know in this video. The four major keys are on the left, and their relative minor are on the right. Now you can reference the circle of fifths to see, like G major, sharp, and D major have 2 sharp, A major have 3 sharp, which is F, C, and G. right-hand side and their relative minor. Now here are the same triads, this time written without their key signatures. When the tonic triads are written without a key signature, some notes need a sharp or flat before them. See, the D major with key signature have F sharp and C sharp. Without the key signature, the three notes are D, F, and A. So the F have to raise a semitone to F sharp. If you are asked to write a tonic triad with a key signature, you need to work out which notes are sharp or flat in that key. If one of those notes is in the triad, add the sharp or flat before it. Here is a method for you to reference. First, write the tonic. Remember, the tonic is the first note of that scale. Second, add two more notes above it. Remember, if the tonic on a space, add two notes on the next two lines above. If the tonic is on a line, add two notes on the next two lines above. If the tonic is in a space, add two notes in the next two spaces above. Then, work out the key signature. If a minor triad, remember to work out the relative minor first. Then, work out the letter names of the notes in the triad. The first, third, fifth degree of the scale. Finally, if any of the notes in the triad are the same letter name as the sharp or flat in the key signature, write the correct sign before the note. Be careful to sign up carefully on the correct line or space. It's like if on the line, if on the space, now it's a time for you to try it. Now we will summarize today's video. Firstly, the lowest note in the tonic triad is tonic, or keynote. The notes in a triad follow a simple pattern. If the tonic is on a line, the other two notes are on the next two lines above. If the tonic is in a space, the other two notes are in the next two spaces above. If the key note is near the top of the staff, you might need to write one or more letter lines, like this, or on the line. If you are asked to write a tonic triad with a key signature, write the complete key signature after the clef. Here are the circle of fifths to reference. If you are asked to write a tonic triad without a key signature, check whether any of the notes need a sharp or flat before them. You don't need to write any of the other sharps or flats which are in the key signature. here is today's video. Thank you for watching.